Wow, is it cold. Um, I don't know when this winter's going to be over, but I can't wait. I need to invest in a heater. Meanwhile, I just got my jacket on. Today, we're coming at you with another shop project. Just letting you know, I'm doing these shop projects so that I could set up the shop and get it prepared for whoever wants me to make whatever cabinets, tables, so that way it'll be more ready. But anyways, the electric cords. Saw a couple of pictures online, saw a couple of videos on YouTube, and yeah, they made a solution for their electric cord uh, problem. You know, when it gets right down to it, people they see things and they use that as a base, and it motivates them to make something different or the same. Sometimes with me, I just end up customizing it a bit and tailoring it to my needs. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's get to it. we're done. As you can see, we've got an extension cord organizer thingamajig. And it's pretty cool. All I got to do is go ahead and just lift it up here and pick the extension cord I want, and when I'm done, put it back. It's semi-flush to the wall. It's very useful, nothing new. For those that are wondering about the locking pin, it's sort of high up there, and it's just really not realistic. So it's easier for me to just, reach out and grab the cord that I want, and this is very comfortable for me at this height. Well, I hope you liked the project. Give us a like, and if you want to see more things like this, hit that subscribe button. Have a good day.